Now we are going to study the new exercise which is depend on the substitution, exercise 20a. See, exercise 20a, in this exercise which is depend on the substitution means we have to substitute the value. See, for to substituting the value we have to given here the some values. See, x value, see in question number first, you, it is very easily seen in your textbook also. The values we have to given: x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6, z is equal to 18, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 8, c is equal to 32, and d is equal to 0. Okay, now see, the first one value is given. See here, you have to given here the first example, x plus y. See, x plus y, x plus y here in this example, x plus y. See, first we have to see the x value. X value is given 3 and y value is given 6. So we have to put these values here in the answer. See, x values I have put here the 3 and y value I have put here the 6. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Okay, now see here, second one, y minus x. Y minus x, first we have to find out the y value. Y value is given 6 and x value is given 3. So put the x and y value here. So I have put here the x and y value. X value is 3, y value is 6. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. What the answer? Now see, same way here in question number 3 also, y upon x. Already we know the y value, which is the 6. Okay, y value is the 6 and x value is the 3. So 6 upon 3, 6 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So what is the answer? So the answer will be the 2. How much is the answer? See, 2. Then see the next question. Question number 4, c plus b. C plus b is equal, c divided by b. C divided by b. That means c upon b. Then find out the c and b values. The c value, what is the value of c? 32. Okay, see now, value of c is 32 and value of b is 8. Now we have to put these values here in this example. See, I have put here 32. Where is the c? Then I have put the 8. Where is the b? So 32 divided by 8, which is equal to 4. Got it now? How much which is 4? Same way we can see the question number second also. Find the value of, the question is given p plus 2q plus 3r. See, what is the question? P plus 2q plus 3r. Then put the value. We are going to put these values in an answer. So p is equal to 1. P is equal to 1. 2 into q is equal to 5 and 3 into r is equal to 2. I have put this value. So 1 plus 2 into 5. 1 plus 2 into 5, 10, plus 3 into 2, 6. Okay, now take this addition, 1 plus 10 plus 6, which will be the 17. Got it now? Which will be the 17. Same way, see the question number second. In second question, we can easily see 2a plus 4b plus 5c. Here we have to put 2 into a value 5 is there, 4 into b value 10 is there, c into 5 into c value 20. See, and these values we have to, all these values we have to given here. See, in second one, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 20. Okay, now see, 2 into 5, 2 into 5 is the 10, 4 into 10, which will be the 40, 5 into 2, which will be the 25, which will be the 100. Then take the addition will be the 150. So got the answer. Now same way we can see the another, these type of another questions also. See the question number 3. Question number 3, I will explain the second question, second and third question. See, here values we have to given in second question. See the values in second question, values we have to given. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 16. Okay, now and in third one also, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to 2. These values we have to use, these values, and we have to substitute these values in the given answer. Okay, now we will see second one, yx upon z. So y is the 4, x is the 8, and z is given how much? 16. So 4 into 8, 32 upon 16. So 32 upon 16, which will be the 2. What is the answer? The answer will be the 2. Okay, now third one, a plus b minus c upon 2a. Okay, so a is how much? A is given 5, b is given 7, and c is given 2. And here 2 into a means 5, a means 5. So then 5 plus 7 minus 2, or 5 plus 7, 12, minus 2 upon 2 into 5, 2 into 5 will be the 10. So this one we got. So 12 minus 2 will be the 10 upon 10. 10 upon 10, what will be the answer? The answer will be the 1. You got the answer.